Okay, hello. Okay, hello. Yeah. Uh, so I'm back after my break. Uh, so just a few updates. First of all, Scotland Yard is not perfect. Surprise. I'll add the notes, change the notes so that you can see what's wrong. And then today, let me change the title for not creating Scotland Yard anymore. That's right. Maybe I'll leave code and all of that in the title. Yeah. So in case it's not already apparent, uh, internship season is approaching, and so I've got to prepare. And by prepare, I mean practice a lot. Right. First, let's get this out of the way. PH4 mobile testing is done, so it's working. What we need to do is fix detect it. Was this slide? I'll talk about it later. And another thing is fix consume. So it tends to show us the pink part. We don't want to be seen. There's that. Right. Oh, and big thing, we have a subscriber now. I don't know how that's happened, but magically we now have a subscriber. And the best part is he like viewed 5 videos, or at least has contributed a total of 5 views, and then subscribed. So probably liked what we were doing. Lovely, just yeah, fantastic. Hopefully you're watching this too. Anyhow, oh yes, please say hi, man. If anyone's here, please just say, or maybe comment on the video, some shit. I don't know. Right. Oh, this is my resume that I was making. Won't show you too much of it. I mean, it's okay. You can put it special. Just included all my projects and one internship. So weird why Sublime is so slow right now. These are all the points. Then I'll put them into PDS via latex. We have to verify and ship. So I've done all of that. And I need to revise a lot too. But I'll save that for later. Right now, let's get to the juice. We're going to be doing LeetCode today. So I don't think we need Sublime for that. Let's open a new tab. Here we go to LeetCode. There. So I see. I do practice. Since I've been practicing lately a little. I'll show you my history kind of. So oh wow, now you can see my name. Okay, whatever. So 18 submissions on June 26th, a month ago. And ever since, like competitions for like weekly competitions, and lately I've been doing practice problems too. Interview season is very close. Internship season. Also need to get this rating up if I can, which I won't be able to. Whatever. So now let's explore day 23. What's well, so we skipped a lot of the days. In week 4, let's go to problems actually. So I did 21st and 22nd, like yesterday and day before. And today we are at 23rd of July, and we're supposed to do this binary tree proof. We'll do that first, and then we'll just do other questions randomly. Okay, that is kind of nervous. These are slightly tough questions from. I am quite a noob, I'll be honest. Okay, recursion, isn't it? Okay, so let's do a quick check. X equals 0. X is 0 if that speeds up, yes. X is not 1. X is 1. X is X. Perfect, okay. Root is none. Root is none, just return, do nothing. Otherwise, uh, if root dot val, so as in root dot val is 1, then obviously both the subtrees have a 1, and so you don't need to. Okay, then you just subtrune the left subtree, right subtree. Okay, false. Let's comment that here. Maybe create a new function. There. Now, yeah, if node is run, sorry, backspace, all of that. Node is none, return false. One isn't there. Otherwise, if one in node, sorry, if node is one, just return true because this subtree does have a one. Hold on. This subtree does have a one, so we're still removing this, aren't we? Hmm. Prune subtree. Let's call it prune subtree. The value is one, and you want to prune the left and the right, but still return true. Yep, that makes sense. Right, and then return. Okay. So, and the final case is else, meaning node is zero. So in this case, what we want to be doing is see if the left subtree had a 1, or if none of the left subtree had a 1, then we want to, yeah, make that none. So okay, if not one in left, in which case we set node dot left equals none. Similarly, we do it for the right. So one in right, uh, equals right there, and up if one in right. So Python recursion is actually weird, but I think LeetCode handles it well. I mean, just 200 nodes, so yeah, I am worried. One in right, so one is there is no one in the right, then we remove our right child as well. Actually, this whole thing is not required. What is not null? One in left is self dot clone subtree left. One in right is that, and then if node dot val equal 1, then there is obviously a 1 in this subtree. So you return true. But if node dot value is 0, then you need to check if the left subtree or the right subtree is 0. I know. So if both of those are also 0, then you need to give up and return false. Return 1 in or 1 right. I guess that's correct. So if both are empty, then you have to drop the current node as well by returning false. Either one of those is true, then you will keep the current node and you'll only drop a subtree of the current node. I think that makes sense. Up, and you're just own sub self. I could have changed the name of that thing itself, but from the root. Oh, okay. So what if the root is 0? Hmm? They haven't given an example as such. What do I do? Whole tree gets dropped, right? So I think that's it. Let us see. Each line has each of the 1 null 0 0. Okay, that there. Let's just pass a 0. Hmm. Perfect. I mean, as long as it's expected, I don't know. 0 1 null. Who cares? Let's go. Let's fucking go. Faster than how many? Come on. It's only taking me runtime. Come on. And 86.42. Fourteen MB. So everyone is in. Oh, okay. Sure. Odissi cares about memory. 86.4%. Oh, let's go. Sample 16 return is not. HS is root but left hand is similar, very similar. I guess it's just the order of checking or something. Maybe I'm doing a check. Oh no way, you're doing DFS, man. Ooh, nice one. You should have done it iteratively, if anything. Who cares? We've done it and in decent time. Yeah. So, like, when did I start streaming? What? 22. So, 20 minutes, I'd say. Decent. But again, I haven't explained the code very well. Need to work on that. I mean, that's the whole point of streaming LeetCode, right? You explain why you're doing something. Anyhow, you've done that. Yeah, I must have gotten the points too. I mean, 15 minutes, honestly. So, which is just bomb, I'll say. And today's Friday here in India. So, the challenge is tomorrow night. But tomorrow I also have a Google online like coding challenge, and I'll probably do that and give up on the bi-weekly. I mean, yeah, don't have these. What are these? Oh, so now what should we do? Let's search by tag array string. Oh my god, there's quite a few. I don't even know what these things are. Divide I conquer, I said, sort of know. But yeah, but here's the thing: if you click on a topic, you know that that's how you solve it, right? Why would you? Because we can randomly go to like a list curated that again. Okay, all of those are locked. Great. Thank you for that. Lead code. Yeah, curated. SQL. No, I didn't have SQL, man. Top 100 like or top interview. Some three. So that's all these are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. And let's see top interview questions. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. Slightly different, I guess. So we'll do the medium ones. Or difficulty medium. Any are they? 50 per page, 2 pages, 100 approx. Wait, can I do this? Please, please let me do this. Yeah, see, stupid assholes. Now I want. Oh, and I don't mean like, please don't catch me on telling them assholes as in just. The LeetCode's great, honestly. Well, sort, I suppose. Oh, it's a random shift. Okay. Maximum product of two elements in an array. That should be easy. Why is it easy? Come on. Well, I'm not doing this, man. Come on. Kidding. Nums I minus 1. Why am I even? Just pick the two largest ones, I guess. 4 and 5, 3, 4. 5 and 5, 4, 4. Yeah. 3, 7, 2, 6. Stupid question. Wait, but that's a stupid man. Yeah, and now pick a random one from my sorted list now. What are you doing, man? All of these are medium and you give me an easy question. I mean, that unique binary. Okay, that could be. I have no idea of. I mean, not too good an idea of how BSTs work. Okay, given an integer return. Okay, so now that's math. Yup, that is math. N is less equal 19. Okay, so I suppose it's a recursion as well. Who knows? Here you can have any of. In the center, you can have any of the numbers. So, and then pick two numbers on each side. Case 1, left part is none. Case 2, right part is none. Case 3, both are filled. Easy. I mean, honestly, easy. Oh no, no, no. How many numbers there are on each side also has to be decided, right? Hmm. 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 But it's still recursion at the end. Let's do this. I mean, we'll do this and then we'll see. Since I should be able to solve this because let's in it, let's define a case so that so many repetitions happen. Self max n is 19, right? If dot uh, given n equals predict with is, so if I have one, just one, then I have one. storage, right? Just one answer. If I have two elements, one here, two on the left, two on the right, and the swap, one here, so there's four. Just checking it for you. Oh, interesting. You just do it for all of these. Test case. One, two, three. Okay, so there's just two. Oh, okay. So 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3 on the right is the same thing. Fair enough. Sure, I guess. So now if I have three nodes, case 1, put 1 at the center, 2 and 3 at the left. Oh, they have to be ascending. What am I even doing? So 2, 1 is obviously not a valid tree. 1, 2, 1, 2 on the right and 2 on the left. First number. Of course, of course. What was I even thinking? Yeah, yeah, yeah. I was just doing trees actually. Yeah, right. So one on the left, one on the right. Yes. So for 3, if 1 is here, then we have to have 2, 3 on the right. No other option. Wait, wait. Oh, 2 on top, 1 on left, 1 on top, 2 on right. Now that makes sense. Yes, finally. Okay. And now I have 1, 2, 3. So 1 on top, 2 on 3 on right. Or I could have 3 and 2. Yup. So if 1 is on top, both those numbers have to be on right. If the answer is 0, 0 notes, then also there's 1, I suppose. Sorry, 0, 1. Yes. I think it will help. Who knows? 1 into this. Now 1, 1. Okay. 3 is here. Sure. And otherwise. Oh, okay, okay, okay. I think I know what we're doing. 0 for I in range 1 n plus 1 ans plus equal. Answer is added with numbers on left. Um, please. How many numbers do we have on left? I minus 1, I believe. Right? I minus 1 numbers. Is that right? I don't know. All the numbers that are smaller than I, right? So 1, 2 till I. So if this is I, then I minus 1 onward, right? So I minus 1, yep. To self dot num trees. How many other numbers do I have? So if I is 10 and we have 12 numbers, 11, 12, 2. So 10 minus I. If I is 1 and we have 12 numbers, 2, 2, 12, 11 numbers. 12 minus 1. This works. This plus equals. That thing is n variance. Whatever. Sans and now let's check. Okay, accepted. Sure, sure. Case 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Accepted. 15, 90. Accepted. Accepted. Okay. So, also slightly easy, I would say. 82.91. Sure, I'll take it. 55, 52 milliseconds. Let's look at one of the fast. How much memory did I have? 14 MB again. Still with 75%. Sure. Let's look at someone who is incredibly fast. Okay. Then a similar thing. Equal 0 return. Would have done less equal 1. Start I. Then start and stop. N plus equals left into right. TDF equals N. What am I doing wrong here? Maybe I can pre-calculate and no. I mean, this is decent as well. And stuff. We can always work on. Maybe we'll look at this guy. One guy here. Whoa, 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 whoa. This self dot sum is I sum of self dot sum is I for I in range N. Damn. And at cache. Oh, okay, okay. I didn't know about this. At cache. Okay. Well, lovely. Let's Google that up. Okay. That's just incredible. Legit. Pretty cool. This goes. So does this. I now have quite a few medium questions. Zero or maybe one or two hard questions. Yeah, see, quite a few medium ones. Very few hard ones. For easy. So today both those submissions have passed. Is my passing rate like 44% acceptance? I mean, these recent questions are definitely helping. 1452. That anyhow, close this. We'll go get some water and then we'll continue with LeetCode. Let's go. Dark side too. Love. Right, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, this looks cool. Decent contrast. 5,000. Five. Okay. Oh, this is sexy, really sexy. Of course, I don't. 8,000. Why? Oh, right, right. So, okay. Yeah, so the screen time thing is because my laptop's been running all night. I had a few simulations to run. So that's what's causing the issue. Wish all of this. Maybe I get a mail. I don't. Maybe I'll have to, yeah, install the app and give myself more screen time. Give me a minute. Sorry. Yeah, the Microsoft Family Center. I'll install that in my phone and then we'll change the things up. Wow. Wow. My average screen time is like 7 hours daily. So Saturday was like 6 hours, Sunday was zero, Monday 2 hours, Tuesday 8 9 hours, Wednesday like 6 hours again I suppose, and Thursday 10 12 hours. Shit, that's fucked up. How do I grant myself permission, man? Come on. Maybe I have to use some other account. I don't know. Okay, I've given myself 3 hours more. Anyhow, let us close this and get back to dreaming about the late code laptops. No chance I'm getting. Hmm. How's it now? How do I get one? Let's look at that. Oh. Damn. Don't give me as much as I can. Obviously, I'm never going to reach 5,000. I'm going to give up midway. But, oh, daily checking, 30-day daily checking. Contribute to test is 100. I'm going to do this. And obviously, not getting this or this or this, even this. One of these. Error compensation. These are like 40 points. I'll do that towards the. What does this mean? so I don't have a conversation. Sorry. Hmm. Maybe one day. Surely one day. So the best way is to do this, right? Nothing else. 5,000, 25,000, like 6,000, and yeah, so that's the only way I can ever. But these are like way beyond my level. Contributor question, maybe. Let us contribute a test case. Why not? One day we'll also contribute a question. Of course, we can contribute a question, right? Means I'm going to be giving so many interviews now. Definitely should. Till then, I'll contribute. Why not? I'll just see if it works. But yeah, it's not worth it. I'll do it only for a trial error. But main juice is in contributing questions. Some little bit this. Obviously not happening. Sorry. Suppose I'll only contribute a question. That's the best I can do. I'll note down all. Okay, so maybe I'll like illegally record my street interviews or something. I don't know, man. Whatever. Whatever. So now, well, and do problems that we were doing. Sort them by medium, pick random. Medium one. If it's hard, these guys are stupid. If it's easy, it's there. Okay. Customers I is the number of new customers. Too complex. Sorry. Really sorry. Come on. stones that can be removed. Uh-huh. That's a good question. Over 1,000 stones. Hmm. Get my rough work out. Why do I have paper here? There's my God. Okay, I'll take a deep breath and I'll just close the windows and come back 1 second. Also have my rough work. Now give me a second, please. Let's say we have 3 points we can remove and now if we have one more. If we remove that like first, it's bad. Mhm. We're using dictionaries surely. So first we can like put them into dictionaries. Given x coordinate, all points that are in the x coordinate, and a given y coordinate, all points that have the same y coordinate. That's easy. After which, do we greedily uh, oh no. Shut up. Weirdly similar to 204, I feel like. I'll be honest, I don't know what we're going to do. Oh, okay. See something. Connected components. That could be juicy. Legit, it would be very juicy. Start at a random point. View all x neighbors. View all y neighbors. Add them. Add an edge from here to all of those. From for each of those, do another dfs and add them. Damn, that's juicy. These are all that can be visited. Okay, yes, so yes, that's all we have to do. Lovely. Step 1, same x. Same y. Oh, great. Yup. How many students? Thousands. So okay. BFS. So set dot add LeetCode, right? BFS stone self of so stone neighbor copy this control. Okay. Self dot same x stone zero. There are all the neighbors we have. It's BFS same thing. I need to go to the washroom. Sorry. It's append, not append, right? I'll just append. Pop, pop, lovely. My neighbor is visited and it's appended to the that. Right, so we visit the first node. There are two neighbors, both are in the queue, all three are in the queue. Only first is in the queue. We enter the first equals first. X neighbor 1, X neighbor is added, Y neighbor is added. Current is X neighbor, no other neighbors that are unvisited. Do nothing. Y neighbor. Perfect. Yep. You just, yeah, it makes sense to me. So len is O1. Problem. O add len. While okay. While length of self dot visitor is strictly less. Len stones with bigger F11 this also. Yeah, nice. Len of stones. Length of self increase the num connected components by one, and then find the first unvisited node. Stone self dot stones. Just stones. Stone is not visited. That's how it works. It's no. And then the whole thing. Nothing there. That's it. Stone dot visited. Instead of making this n square, we could do it n. But For the time being, I'm just going to do this. I will discuss about that later. Slightly weird. Sure. Self.bfs, in fact, bfs. Oh, easy. And then break immediately after. And then you repeat that the whole thing. Keep adding. See, you return on CC. Suppose that should work. If there's a bug or something. Oh, how many? Okay, 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 sure. How many points do I want to? Six. Len stones minus. Add these two. 530. For the time being, let's submit. See, and then we'll rectify. 27. See, it's kind of O square. The memory is very efficient. Sure. So now this is what I was talking. Just iterate through stones once. Every time you do DFS, you just DFS, you just do this. So you don't care about this thing. So you can always start from the lowest of those nodes, and it will do all the stuff for the ahead nodes. So you know that no node lower is ever going to get different. Really sure though. Let's first run 530. See, see, something did go wrong. The CC is 1 and your BFS. And what if now we visit something previous? That isn't possible, right? If now we can visit something previous, the previous one should have already visited us. Of course, why will we break? We don't have to break. It's better, I believe. Linear. Oh my god! Let's fucking go, baby. Let's fucking go. And 91.5, so that's god tier. Honestly, and that's the best I've done in a long time. Oh, look at this now. I mean, obviously, we're going to be happy with ourselves, right? Also, there are so many people with this, and then all of those that are in n square, I guess, or maybe n cube, who knows? I was earlier here, now I'm in linear. Ah, come on, baby. Memory is also like average, I'd say. Could have been lower. Let's see someone's solution. It's only a few milliseconds, you know. Yeah, union everything. Perfect. Yeah. We look at insanely fast. We had decent time sure. We're all doing unions. Come on, same shit. Not again. Come on. I mean, at least I'm unique, let's say. Strategy, union front. You can always reduce the perfect. Yep, connected component is sort of a union, right? Whatever. And it's decent. At least I thought of it's connected components in the end. Nice question. Yep, very nice question. Wow, I feel happy, man, that I was able to do this one. Yeah, I was pretty scared that I had no idea what I was doing. I was doing minimum one, maximum stuff, and that, yep, need to look like from a higher perspective, I suppose. Oh, we don't get anything for solving questions, do we? That just, yeah, I don't like it. Stupid. But again, we are allowed to watch the discuss, so that would be stupid indeed. They could do something like HackerRank, where if you open discuss, then the points aren't validated anymore. Something like that. I don't know. I like these lead code questions. You see, earlier when I practiced HackerRank and shit, I felt it was very tough. I think LeetCode is slightly easier compared to others. Like it's not very difficult or high pro CP level questions. Much nicer questions. So now let's what are we going to discuss? Maybe see a good C++ DFX, set and dictionary. Exactly what I want. Very close, baby. Very close. Okay, so you did only one map and not two. I like that. And then stack for the DFS, I suppose. Stack dot pop. Yep. You didn't tell how long it took. Who cares? Go back. I mean, I suppose that's the third question of the day or fourth. I don't really know. So we did the 23rd July question, binary tree. Then we did a binary search tree, and we also did this question. So that's at least three. We can go to our history to see what other questions. Okay, and at 5 we have like Dutch Bank, whatever that's called, a session of those guys. So I might have to leave in a minute or two. Till then, we can look at this. Okay, one question, two question, three question. This was yes, three questions, decent. In how much time? Okay, I can ask my viewers a question too, assuming I have viewers. That's nice. In an hour and a half, three questions, 30 minutes average per question, with lots of self praising that I was able to do a question faster. Lovely. Zero viewers throughout. Makes you happy, doesn't it? Anyways, hi, one last subscriber, one new first subscriber. I'm very lucky to have you. I'm actually very gassed. Yeah, that's it. We'll see you all next time. Bye bye.